AI is going to impact all of us. And if you're a project manager or a department manager that has customer-facing products or services, you know AI is going to be a game changer. But that's not always true. Some things just need to stay more human-centric. Let's talk today about the 3 ways AI is going to change the game and 2 ways project managers and business people are going to want to stay human-centric. If you want to be ahead of the game, then you'll know the difference and you'll know how to leverage each of these ways of working. AI and people-centric processes. Let's start with how AI is going to change things for the better. Customers want it now, and the great news is with bots, they can get it now. Answers right away. Details on orders followed up on. This kind of immediate response is exactly what consumers are looking for. Better than waiting around for a person to respond, isn't it? The second thing that AI can do is evolve fast. Adapting as humans want more and expect more is AI's superpower. Going deeper, broader, and faster than ever before. We can expect to have AI prioritize, personalize, and create unique customer experiences. AI is already bringing you the information you need as you need it. This will allow individuals and businesses to understand customer needs and how to service those customers better based on personal preferences. We can take advantage of AI's ability to analyze vast amount of customer data, including past interactions, create predictive analysis, and valuable insights. These insights are going to create deeper relationships with you and your customers. After all, you want to interact with customers the way that they want you to interact with them. AI is the perfect tool to do that. We know that CX tools for AI are growing exponentially, but there are some great ones already out there. Salesforce Einstein, AI-driven customer relationship management, personalizes interactions and creates predictive analytics, helping you prepare for what your customer is going to want next. There's also Google Duplex, an AI-powered voice technology that allows businesses to automate customer interactions. If you want to see top tips on my favorite AI tools and my favorite process-centric people tools, check out my blog, the link's below. Now let's talk about where you want to stay human-centric, people-oriented, and people-process-centric. When something goes wrong, sometimes bad things happen. Maybe it's with your products or services, or maybe you just have an upset customer. Either way, you want a human being on the other side of the counter or on the phone. In some cases, your customer service people can even use data and AI to rapidly help and problem solve. But they're using their human skills to figure out the most creative, appropriate, and most compassionate answer for that customer. Showing empathy when people are upset, using data to help them find the right answer that was be fit for purpose, and using that intelligence to forecast future problem solving is going to help you win the day with customers. The next point is when your customers are buying high-end products. When buying expensive items, people expect good service, human service, and people-centric services. Think like Apple. They know the power of their people to create brand loyalty in store. When you're buying an expensive car, you might do it online, but at some point you're going to want to interact with a person, especially if you're expecting a high-value process. When you're buying services, high touch is going to remain important, and it's going to remain important for a couple of reasons. And one of them is 73% of customers consider their experience a crucial factor in the purchasing decision. And the fact remains that while people like chatbots, 50% of the people who responded to a recent survey said they had a bad experience with chatbots. And we all know that bots can be great until they're not. They can answer any question until it just doesn't make sense anymore. So while AI is catching up, we're going to have to make person-to-person a way to solve those problems proactively, creatively, and with empathy. And the bottom line? People prefer humans, but they appreciate the speed, reliability, and functionality of how AI can deliver. When companies master the combination of both of those, they will master their customer service relationships. I hope you found this information helpful. If you did, give it a like and subscribe. And I'll see you next time on ProjectSkillsMentor.com. Bye-bye, everybody.